Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This has been really a really strange process. Just sitting here talking to myself, but trying to get used to it away, but kind of something just come weird. Anyways, give you some updates on how far I reach on the engines up on the Integra. Alright, so this is how far I reach. Engine is out. Engine bay. So I'm gonna change this bonnet. It's really heavy. I don't like it one bit. I cut the front radiator support off the other one down there, because this one was in terrible condition. A lot of rotten spots. Like it was involved in a front end collision before, and anybody that fixed it didn't do a good job. The one off that one down there has also been a front end collision, but it's not as bad. Here is straight, up here is straight. Almost finished pulling it out. There's a crack right there. There's a spot right there. So, and I'm going to need to have to remove that mount. I'm going to put a bracket right here for the coolant reservoir bottle. This I'm going to have to cut out because it can't pull. All the bolts head are rusted off. That's the progress on this. This is the DC we have to cut off it. This now was the old one. The body is in terrible condition. See, it's all busted there. This is the coolant reservoir. Going to mount on the other one right here. All busted up. This header. I was the one that put the engine in this car, and I made this header out of the B series. Out of the B series manifold. I made this manifold, but the pipe was poor, crack there. Crack. I'm going to have to redo this. Yeah, it's all busted up, right? It's busted right here as well. So I can see that it's not the well that's busted, it's the actual pipe. So this is the rims that rim that we're going to use back. I'm going to use back this wood, this bonnet, because that one is super heavy and inconvenient. There's rusted and rotten windshield. All of the windshield is rotten right around. And just, I can just lift it out. This other K series in it. These were the headlights, all busted headlights. Check online. On eBay, the headlights were like 1500, 1800 bucks. Yeah, didn't worth it. Sparkle steering. I wired a Evo 8 AM Series 1 on the engine. I'm going to rewire it. I wasn't pleased with the way it was. So that one otherwise on the front end collision is really in a good condition. It's a K24. I got this engine out of a 2003 Honda Odyssey, but it was the one with the single VTEC lobe on the intake cam, and I got a full engine that spun a bearing from someone for 15,000 Jamaican dollars, roughly about $100 US with the double VTEC K20A3 head and K20A3 pistons. We bought the engine mounts and brackets for the RSX gearbox, but they didn't have any RSX gearbox in 6-speed. I didn't want the 5-speed, so I had to redo the mounts. This mount right here, this bracket. I had to make the back one back. So I made about the back one, and I redid the gearbox one. This one was okay. Didn't have to make any changes to that. This manifold was ported by me. Injectors are some 410 cc's. I made the EGR block off plate. I made this plate to block off right here. One strap. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll clean this up back and put back that in. The shifter was for, because we bought the shifter and the mounts before we got the gearbox, and maybe I'm gonna change around the pattern, but for now this is how it shifts. So we have first gear down here, second up there, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. So it's in order, but all of the gears that were forward is now back and vice versa. So thinking of depouring one of the racks and putting back in it. Delete power steering, AM wide band. So I'm gonna put the button start on the other one. I'm just going through and trying to make it as best as possible. So just bear with me and give me a like and comment and give me a subscribe if you can.
Speedometer now. So why you not connect or something? I don't know, you keep on the bandits.
You got the clock itself?
You
got the clock.
Want change? What that change?
Just take it over.